So to the students out there that's trying to build a brand, listen to me. You're in school right now, all right? It starts now. So when I was in school and I was starting my brand, I basically made sure that I had as much content as possible to prove to the people in my community that I was worth being their barber. So it was a catalog of work that I needed to build in order to present this to the people. What I thought back when I was in school was, well, maybe if I film my cuts or take pictures of my cuts, build my Instagram, maybe I could go out to the community, show them what I'm about, and maybe they will come and get their haircut because they see my work. And I did that. And I say that to say this: build your brand now, start now. It's never too soon. Don't worry about if my work is just not that good, my work is just okay. Post, because people will see where you came from and where you're at now. And for your own satisfaction, you'll be able to look back on your pictures and be like, man, I came a long way, you know what I mean? It's really for your own pat on the back, honestly. Now, I'm not telling everybody that they have to go out and make a YouTube channel, but an Instagram? Anybody can make an Instagram. I mean, come on. So with Instagram, I would suggest that you just post, all right? Make sure that you take your phone out, okay? First of all, you got to clean it, okay? You got to clean it. You got to clean that lens before you post. People don't want to see no smudged up fingerprints on the dang camera lens. And just make sure you post, all right? Post your best pictures. Always strive to do better. Therefore, you're comfortable about that picture or whatever you're putting out. But even if it's not your best work, put it out, because you'll be able to look back on where you came from and look at yourself now. So hashtagging, all right? Hashtag your work. If it's a taper that you did, hashtag taper. If it's a fade that you did, hashtag fade. Also, when you get out of school and you're grounded in your city and you're fresh, you're new, make sure you hashtag that city that you're in and barbers afterwards. That way, when new people are on Instagram, they're gonna search up the city, they're gonna see the hashtag, and they will see your work. It all depends on how hard you go. A lot of you guys are scared of hard work. hard work, dedication, motivation, consistency. The will to keep going when the going gets tough and the tough gets going, you go. Okay, you go. So listen, you guys, I didn't get here by not putting in work. Okay, I put in work when things was just not going good, you guys. So make sure that in everything you do, hard work is definitely the #1 answer. Okay, hard work. You have to apply yourself. You have to put in the grind. Consistency. Okay? If you ain't consistent with nothing that you do, either people or anybody that watches you, they're not gonna pay attention. Okay? You have to stay consistent. You have to shove it in people's faces. You have to be around for your clients. Stay consistent for your clients, because if you're not consistent for your clients gonna fall off and go to somebody else. Consistency is key. Dedication. You gotta stick with it, man. No matter what is going on in your life, you have to persevere through it, and you gotta stick with it. Motivation. I'm motivated by every barber in here. Okay, I know there's nobody in here right now, but I'm motivated by everybody in here. They help me step my game up. They help me, thrive to be a better barber every day. You know what I mean? Surround yourself with people who build you up, that motivate you. The will to keep going when the going gets tough and the tough gets going. You go. I think that's self-explanatory. I think that says it all. I mean, no matter what you're going through, you keep going, all right? You don't give up. I mean, it all falls hand in hand with being dedicated, consistent, motivated, hard work. It all falls hand in hand. And the last part, you go, okay? You don't wait around waiting for things to happen for you. Doors ain't gonna open itself. You gotta walk it out, okay? That was smooth. Nobody caught that? The footwork. YouTube, it's a wrap. Our day is done, all right? At least, well, my day is done. They're still cutting. Everybody else is still cutting. But my day is done, all right? I'm on my last one. My brother right here looking real fresh. E, where they can follow you at?
Hey, Moolah Plays. Go follow me. Stay tuned for the
For the Barbers Gone Wild.
Yeah,
what is that, 20?
I believe it's 20.
Nah, we gonna put you on the next one.
Go for,
Barbers Gone Wild on the next one, my brother right here. We out.
We out.